Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Bag 40. It's Mama Juju and we are here doing our Junk Journal January and we are on day number 20, Nature. This is what I did. Okay, I had my North America Reader's Digest book. And it had all these wonderful nature things in it. So I went through and I pulled out, it was talking about the different planes and stuff. So I went out and pulled all the different planes of nature and collaged that on here. And then I went through and I pulled out some of the animals and put those there because they're in nature. And you know, in the country, you got to have the polecat. So I put the polecat up there. And then, you know, the little chipmunk squirrel, put him down here. And then we have our little birds and ducks. And this little duck and this little duck here, these two little ducks that page just kept falling out. So I figured they wanted to be on here, so I stuck them on here. Then of course, you know, we got our fishing. You know, hubby got to go fishing. He's flopping up there. And then we have our birds and then our flowers. And of course, you know, Mississippi, we got our magnolia there. It's kind of a glare on it because they're glossy pictures. But our magnolia there. So that is, and you know, we've got our cotton. Because, you know, Mississippi, we got our cotton down here. So that is my nature page for my junk journal. See you on the next go round. Bye. I hope you're having as much fun as I am. I'll see you next time. Bye.